Hey guys, in this video I'm going to replace engine mounting of Mercedes-Benz E-Class 213 274 engine. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment your suggestions. For this job we need to remove the air filter housing top cover. I removed top cover already here, and I need to disconnect the connector also from the back side of air filter housing. Here you can see the top cover of air filter housing and air filter there. We need to remove the left engine mounting top bolt first from the top. So here I'm using a universal big extension, small extension and E14 asset. I lose the bolt already, so I removing the bolt. There is a part like a weight, so we need to remove that weight and the bolt also. So here you can see I removed the bolt. Next we need to up the vehicle. So here you can see 3 bolt for one engine mounting from the bottom. So we need to remove those 6 bolt for both engine mountings. So here I'm removing. Next I'm going to the left engine mounting top bolt. I'm removing from the bottom this top bolt of left side engine mounting. Yeah, I lose completely. Now need to up the left side of engine through a hydraulic jack. Here I'm lifting the left side engine mounting because I removed all bolts. Now I'm taking out the left side engine mounting. Yeah, it's coming. Now I fixed the left side engine mounting. This twisting lock should be aligned. Yeah, now I'm tightening through by using my hand because to avoid the cross thread. Next I'm going to tighten the bolt through ratchet. Yeah, it's proper right now. I'm going to lift the right side of engine mounting to fix the right engine mounting. So please avoid the drain nut portion and put jack support in a proper position. Now I'm fixing the right side engine mounting. Here also the twisting lock should be aligned. It's easy to remove and easy to fix here. Now I fixed, you can see here the twisting lock is aligned. Now I fixed the 3 bolts of one right side engine mounting. Also I fixed the 3 bolts of left side engine mounting, and I'm going to tighten those 6 bolts. Here you can see I am tightening the bolts one by one. Those bottom bolts and top bolt of left side engine mounting already tight. Now I down the lifter. I'm going to fix the top bolt of right side engine mounting. Here I'm fixing the balancing weight, the weight over the engine mounting top. Here I'm tightening the bolt by using my hand to avoid cross thread. Now I'm going to tighten through ratchet. I'm using a big extension, small extension and asset. The job is finished. We need to fix the under paneling. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment your valuable suggestions. Thanks for watching my video.